and clear it. Again, I will explain. Go through each entity. If you feel that we can add more, yes, it is the full liberty has been given to you that how you are going to be elaborate, how you are going to be structure, how you are going to be create betterly. Yeah, how you are going to be create it betterly, that's up to you. That is how you think, that is how you perceive, that is important. So let's consider the first entity from the banking system, which is the account. Account having an account number and balance. You can underline the account number if it is a key attribute. Account type, saving account, current account, overdraft account. You can also add here account also. Remember, yeah. So account type is a composite attribute. Account type is composite attribute. So type is saving account, current account, overdraft account, and this also. So account, right? User has account. You look at the right side. User has a account and has the relation having the attribute date. Yeah, date. On which date the user has become account. Yeah, so it has entity ATM as an entity. So ATM having the ATM number, so we can underline this attribute as a key attribute. ATM cash limit, ATM place. You can add the ATM ID also, right? ATM number also. So you can decide which 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 title is better suitable for what. Yeah, you have to be decide this also. So user perform the operation transaction on ATM also. Yeah. So transaction, perform transaction, have this attribute deposit check, deposit cash, withdraw cash. So user having the attribute like first name, last name, address, name, contact number. You can add also more attribute. You can also add more attribute. Yeah. And you can underline the key attribute from this ER diagram. If you say attribute, you can also add the email ID. You can also add the email ID. So means you have to be think in every angles, in every way, how you complete the ER diagram in better way. How you are going to be completely. So if you consider the banking system, we are not shown the any parties from the banking, right? You can show them. You can show the manager, you can show the clerk, you can show the staff from the bank, you can add here the loan, you can add here the bank, you can add the various bank, you can add the various department from the bank. So that how you think, that's up to how you think and how you make it betterly, how you betterly relate each entity from the banking, how you relate each entity from particular organization. It is up to you how you think betterly and how you complete the ER diagram in better way. So this is whole is a ER modeling. This is whole a ER modeling. This is the ER modeling. So today I will stop here, but before that, just take this view. I will ask you the 2-3 assignment today, or you have to be complete that one. So go through this ER diagram again. Go through the ER diagram for 2 minutes. Everybody, go for this ER diagram. I will again explain then what is the next step. I will give the some assignment on this basis of that. You have to be listen carefully how to complete it. So suppose I ask you to convert this ER diagram to the table, and from table to the ER diagram. So what care has to be think? What care has to be taken? So I will ask you after 2 minutes. So go through the this ER diagram. Take one look from the ER diagram. So suppose I ask you to draw the relation or table of account, right? Suppose I ask you draw the table for the draw the relation or table for relation means table, right? Then account table, then you have to consider this attribute. Yeah, for account table you have to consider this as attribute. For user table you have to consider this attribute. Yeah, for ATM table you have to consider this attribute. For performance transition table you have to consider this attribute. Yeah, for this you have to consider this attribute. So means from ER diagram you can draw the table, and from table you can draw the ER diagram. Question may come, convert this ER diagram to the table, or convert this table into ER diagram. So there may be a reverse question. Yeah, so what are the care has to be taken while drawing the table from ER diagram, or from ER table how to complete the ER diagram or how to draw the ER diagram. So that also will be discussed in next lecture. So in next lecture we are going to be discuss extended ER diagram, extended ER features, and if time permit then how to map the table and ER diagrams, right? Yeah, remember this one. So don't miss the next lecture. Now I will ask you to mark your attendance. Write in the chat box yes message. Yeah, write in the chat box yes matches. Only 52 student. Okay. Just wait, don't exam. I'm copying the attendance. Only that student attendance will be considered. Remember. So I have created the one more added 53. Who is that? Right now he is added. How it is so happen? He has to be reply me back, right? Who is added 53? Okay, one more thing that I have created the classroom. You have to be joined there. So all the video will be uploaded there only in a Google Classroom. Test will be launched in a Google Classroom also, right? So follow the process of completing the assignment. Also remember the test will be launched today or tomorrow, right? Today or tomorrow. If time permit, I will launch the test today only. Otherwise, the test will be tomorrow, right? But before that, you have to prepare the things from clearly, right? So there may be a many question on the basis of ER diagram. So you have a sufficient time right now to complete complete your cases. Right now, you have the sufficient time, right? So complete. Again, you miss something from that. Go through the video in detailed ways. Again, if you have query, I can discuss. So those who are understood this topic correctly, they can exit right now. Those who not understood, stay here only. Yeah, those who not understood, they can stay here only, and you can write in the chat box. And those who are understood, they can exit and they can join to the next lecture, second lecture. They can join the second lecture. I will wait for the 2 minutes here only. Yeah, I will wait for 2 minutes.